In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM. We're starting right inside WordPress, and the goal is simple. Find the official tool that connects your site to your Zoho CRM so new leads can flow in automatically. Begin by going to WordPress.com and heading to the plugins area. If you're already signed in and managing a specific site, you'll see the plugins section in your dashboard. If you don't, it may be because your plan doesn't support plugins on WordPress.com. In that case, check your plan details before proceeding. Once you're on the plugins page, look for the link or tab labeled Marketplace. This is WordPress.com's central hub for discovering and evaluating plugins, and it's the fastest way to locate the exact integration you need. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Zoho CRM. Including the term CRM helps narrow the results to the tools designed to push leads and form entries into your customer relationship management system. As the results load, scan for the listing that references Zoho CRM clearly. You may see several Zoho-related tools, so take a moment to verify the one intended for capturing and syncing leads from WordPress. When you spot it, click on the plugin named Zoho CRM Lead Magnet. Opening the plugin page gives you a detailed overview of what it does, which forms it supports, and how it connects to your Zoho account. This page typically includes a description, screenshots, version notes, last updated information, and compatibility details with your current WordPress version. It's a good idea to review these sections so you know exactly what to expect. Look for signs of active maintenance, recent updates, and clear documentation. If there are listed requirements or permissions, read them so you understand what access the plugin will request as part of the connection to your CRM. A quick tip while you're here: confirm that the plugin name matches exactly Zoho CRM Lead Magnet, and that it's presented by a reputable source. Similar names sometimes appear in search results, and you want the one built specifically to capture leads and pass them into Zoho CRM reliably. Also, keep an eye on user ratings and any notes about supported forms or shortcodes, especially if you plan to integrate with existing contact or sign-up forms on your site. By following these steps, opening the WordPress.com plugins area, jumping into the marketplace, searching for Zoho CRM, and selecting Zoho CRM Lead Magnet, you've arrived at the official integration point between your WordPress site and Zoho CRM, setting the stage for a smooth, centralized lead capture workflow.